Threw some corn down. There's my splash pair. Guineas, blue slate turkeys. These are my Saxony ducks. The Ancona ducks are somewhere else. You guys are always bathing. Good lordy. Look how pretty. There's a little silky cockerel. Not a rooster just yet. She's got 12 eggs, and there's 24 altogether. That's actually Delilah sitting on 12 eggs. Some are hers, and some are the sisters. There's the little ducklings I grew out as testers. Oh, this tree is shedding. Look it. I don't know if you guys can see it. It looks like snow. I've been doing a lot of trimming from the blackberry bushes back here. Little Sarama, that's little Katie. This is a pure breed partridge rock. If you guys know what a Plymouth barred rock looks like, this is the partridge version. There's too many roosters of my Saramas. I have some Wheatons. Look at that blue Ancona duckling, so pretty. A lot of those have been hatching out for my customers. There's a Saxony, not sure. Another Saxony. A beautiful blue coral guinea. Those are the girls. I have two of them. Here's a close-up of the partridge rock. Here comes the Ancona drake. He made the little blue baby. Well, if they don't sell and the girls don't want to sit on them, then the next thing to do is eat them. Turkey eggs from my blue slate girls. Look how pretty they are.